Congratulations, you completed the first part of the course, which is a introduction to HTML. So at this point, you should be familiar with the basic structure of a HTML file, including tags such as your paragraph and heading tags. You've also got tags in charge of images. You got the link tags, which are very important for navigating around more than one page. And also you've looked at things such as headings and links. You should also have completed the 2 practice tasks because they will help you independently practice your HTML. We're now moving into CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And this language helps you further describe the HTML file. So there are 2 main things that you can do with CSS. One is you can improve the formatting of the page. And the second is you can also lay out the page in a much more sophisticated manner. Now, CSS is a language that's embedded inside a HTML file. And the reason why I named this course HTML and CSS is both of them go fantastic with each other, where if you just use a plain HTML document, it doesn't look very good, especially in this day and age of sophisticated websites. So I'll be looking at the different types of things you can do with CSS, so please follow the videos as we go through them. But there are 2 ways that we can embed a CSS file. One is we can put it inside the HTML file, and this will be designated by it being declared in the head of the HTML file. So if I open this one up here, and at this point, we haven't really used the head tags much. Remember before I said they're used more for metadata, describing a page. You can also use the head tags too, because they're read by the browser but not displays on the screen, to declare what happens inside the CSS script. So here, what we're doing is we're using CSS to change the fonts and the properties of the different body, heading, and paragraph tags in there. So for example, we've changed it to default to light blue background, or heading 1 tags are white and aligned to center, and then all paragraphs are formatted in Verdana and at a font size of 20 pixels. Really useful. So that's the first option. You can have them as what we call internal CSS file, or you can have an external CSS file. So you can have an independent file which sits separate and can be called upon by as many HTML files as possible. We'll be looking at these 2 different types of ways of CSS programming. So please look at the future videos. And if you've got any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to guiding you through CSS and HTML in more detail.